investigation
that
as a
we will be
COA.
pausing for lunch break at 12, regardless of where we are, since clearly we might not be able to finish with the direct before 12. So kung saan man tayo abutan, hanggang dun lang din po tayo, and we'll continue after lunch.
Your Honor, we will be able to finish before lunchtime with the Office of the Vice President.
Yes.
And,
But not with the witness, Counsel.
Not with the witness, and after lunch, Your Honor, with the DepEd.
Yes.
Because of
Understood.
the...
Attorney Christine, you can also sit down if you want to.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Attorney Lorna, next time you can provide either a high chair for you so that you can sit while...
Your Honor, I think the Office of the Clerk misunderstood. I asked for a high chair. They gave me a high podium, Your Honor. Which is making
The
it more
clerk of
difficult.
court is so directed. I think it's more convenient to have a high chair.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
I'd rather call it a high chair, Attorney Capunan, than a bar stool.
With due respect, Your Honor, are more familiar with bar stools.
I would know. I would have thought, Counsel. Yes, Miss Eileen. Are you just about done, ma'am?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Alright. Well, attorney, so habang talagang binubusisi ni Ms. Del Campo itong mga dokumento, although sinabi na ni Presiding Officer Chis Escudero na matapos man o hindi, 12 o'clock, magbe-break na po sila. Pero balikan natin, attorney, yung iba pa dun sa mga sinasabi nila, no? Kasi yung sinabi nyo is what they would need is a witness to testify to the actual letter response. Pero syempre, galing yung witness na yun would have to come from either the OVP at mamaya sa DepEd po.
Correct.
So, para sa prosecution, maituturing na hostile witness po yon.
Hindi naman, kasama sa witnesses
okay.
niya yan.
Okay.
So depende sa pinili nilang witnesses to more or less corroborate and elucidate on the documentation presented during the first witness, si Ms. Villacampo.
Alright. Pero kanina po kasi, even before nag-umpisa yung direct examination kay Ms. Del Campo, ang sinasabi ng kampo ng Vice President or ng Defense Counsel, hindi naman namin alam kung competent yung witness na yan o hindi eh. Pero ang definition po ba ng competent in court is...
Are you ready, Miss Eileen?
From our actual
Yes po,
understanding.
Your
But we'll go
Honor.
back to that later.
Thank you,
Attorney
Madam.
Lorna, you may proceed.
With the permission of this honorable court. Thank you, Madam Witness. You have gone over PIORs or Protective Intelligence Operations reports, which were attached to the Office of the Vice President's response for the first and second quarter of 2023. Madam Witness, sa tinignan mong reports na yan at na-evaluate mo na reports na yan, ano ang mga observation mo?
Doon po sa Protective Intelligence Operations Reports, ito po ay inattach nila kasama yung certification as documents evidencing success. And based po sa aking evaluation ng mga PIORs, ang nakalagay po rito is ang date and locations ng mga engagement ng Vice Presidents, kasama na din po yung mga satellite offices nila. Nakalagay din po dito yung probable threats dun sa mga activities na ito, pati na rin po yung narratives ng timeline of events magmula sa planning stage, actual operation, and post-operation. Pero during the evaluation po ng documents na ito, hindi ko po nakita yung particular accomplishments po na magwa-warrant sa payment of rewards.
Bakit sinabi mo na napakahaba ng mga dokumentong to? Bakit sinabi mo nung na-evaluate mo ay hindi mo nakita yung hinahanap mo o yung kailangan kasama nito sa mga dokumentong ito? Bakit, Madam Witness?
Under po kasi sa joint circular, yun nga po, sa payment of rewards, it should be supported with documents evidencing success. Pero based po sa mga documents na to, ang nakalagay lang po dun sa certification is a general statement that there were no untoward incidents dun sa mga engagement ng Office of the Vice President together with the implementation ng programs. Pero hindi po ito naging sapat.
Ano-ano itong mga programs na sinasabi nila na pinaggamitan ng confidential funds? Wala ka bang nakita dito sa mga sinubmit na kadami-daming mga dokumento? Anong specifics nitong activities allegedly na pinaggamitan?
May mga activities po sa mga meetings, mga attendance po sa mga festival, ganun po. Tsaka yung mga engagement din po ng satellite offices.
Hindi ba qualified to? Hindi ba allowed ito? Yung mga nagmi-meeting. Paano mo malalaman? How can you ascertain that these meetings are indeed to discuss confidential activities?
Kasi po, ang nakalagay lang po dun is kung ano yung mga activity na inattendan doon po ng Vice President. Kasama na rin po yung mga programs ng mga satellite offices niya, pati po yung libreng sakay program ng OBP.
Libreng sakay program.
Opo, kasama po dun sa PIORs.
Hindi ba ito confidential? Yung libre na sakay na yan?
Hindi po.
Ano pa yung mga activities ng satellite offices na sinasabi mo na hindi naman tamang paggamit ng confidential funds?
Yung mga, hindi ko, pwede po mabalikan yung...
Assisting Counsel may approach.
Dito po sa sa satellite office po nila sa Bacolod, ang nakalagay po rito na activity nila is provided rice box to Murcia fire victims.
Sandali. Rice box to
Murcia
fire
fire
victims.
victims.
Baka confidential ang rice victims na yan, Madam Witness.
Tapos tupad beneficiaries at BCNHS.
Can you speak to the mic, please?
Tupad beneficiaries at BCNHS GYM, Dole, Tupad payout May 1, 2023, 198 recipients, daily wage for 50, a total of 841 cash disbursed 10 days.
Mga tupad beneficiaries, linista dyan, kung magkano.
Ito po yung mga naging activity po dun sa
So,
Bacolod
rice
Satellite.
giving, tupad activities, ano pa?
Medical mission po.
Medical mission,
Release of rice boxes to beneficiaries in Sebastian Antique. Visited MAIPP hospitals and provided GLs at billing accounting offices to get a copy of SOA. Yun.
With the
visit ng
indulgence of
hospital.
counsel, Ms. Eileen, these are the activities na sinasabi nilang kinover ng intelligence operations.
Ito po yung inattach nila as proof of success of the information gathering.
Ng activities nga.
Opo.
Not that ginamit yung confidential fund sa pagbigay ng bigas, not that ginamit yung confidential fund sa pagbigay ng tupad, not that ginamit yung confidential fund sa MAIP.
Opo. Bale po, ito yung naging activities ng Vice President po. Pero hindi po yung confidential fund yung ginamit dito.
Na naging ligtas siya, ika nga.
Opo,
base sa
parang
protective
conducted
activities.
surveillance activities po sa mga programang ito.
Okay.